In this video, you will learn how to use Node in creating your Shopify app. As we all know, in the latest Shopify CLI, they remove Node, PHP, and Ruby, and now recommends Remix instead. So if you're like me, I still prefer React and Node template to create my Shopify apps. So how are we going to use Node template? Let's start by opening our VS Code or any code editor that you prefer. In my case, I prefer using Visual Studio Code. Now open your terminal and run this code. So instead of using the latest Shopify CLI in creating or setting up your app, we need to use 3.47.5 because this is the latest version of Node template. Now hit enter and just enter your project name here. And as you can see, you are now being asked on what template to use. So of course we will use Node here. So now that's done, let's change directory to our project and then run npm run dev. And you need to log into your Shopify partners account. Just hit enter. So choose your partners account. So after you're logged into your Shopify partners account, you will be asked for what organization you're gonna use. So if you just created your partners account, you'll just see one. But in my case, I have two in here, so I'll use this one here. And we are going to create a new app. And I'll just name it React for Node or YouTube. You can name it whatever you want. Now we need to select what store we're going to use. If you just created your partner's account, it will just automatically select the default development store that has been created by Shopify. But in my case, I have 4 in here, so I'll just use this one. Okay, so if you are using Visual Studio Code, just press P to preview or install your app, or you just can click this link. And here you'll be asked to install your app. So just click on install. Alright, so congratulations on creating or setting up your app using Node template. So if you have questions, just leave a comment. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.